Hello learners, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing awesome. This is Yagyasani Patra presenting the most amazing current affairs session with you on Yagyasani GS Academy. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Now before we start the current affairs, let us start with a powerful and a motivational quote. So guys, if we can conquer ourselves, we can conquer the entire world. Actually what we have to conquer is our own desires. If we can conquer that, then rest assured बाकी सब वो जिनसे आपे आपे लाइन अप है चलेगा. So the first question of yesterday was Asian Development Bank president every time from which country? The correct answer is Japan. So see friends, World Bank रो जो president था always from USA. USA रो सबुठो अधिक shareholding World Bank रहता है. IMF रो president always from the European Union and similarly Asian Development Bank रे सबुठो अधिक जो shareholding अच्छी that is USA and Japan 15.6 each. So Japan रो ही सदाबले Asian Development Bank रो president है तांते. Next question I asked that for the religious activities no tax can be levied. It means the public revenue cannot be used for the development of the religion. जमती कि government schools रे कौन सी religious festival को organize करिबा, ताको celebrate करिबा, these are also not allowed. So this is discussed in which article? Answer is article 27. Third question थिला Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment under a SEED scheme, SEED scheme, केउ particular community ପାଇଁଥାଏ? The correct answer is denotified tribes. So friends, जब ब्रिटिशर को रूल चली थिला colonization during that time, tribal मान को टू काफी exploitation करिबा, India रो forest area natural resources को use करिबा, timber and the forest, the collection of taxes, these were the main intentions of the Britishers. And to satisfy their greed, what did they do? Different kind of act आने थिले. जमती for example, किचिटा tribals को especially central India रो किचिटा tribals को माने criminals declare कर देते by birth. So there was an act of 1871, the Criminals Act, which was declared by the British. 1947 when we became independent तो आमे ये सब tribes को denotify करे थिलो, यानी कि they are no longer criminals. However, despite this step, आज भी denotified tribals they have not been developed a lot. So denotified tribals करो, free education and coaching जमती के civil services ପାଇଁ पढ़िବାକୁ चाहती तो free coaching, economic assistance and many other things are basically given to the denotified tribal people in India. Next question thila, what is the bank which issues the electoral bonds? हाँ तो friends, electoral bonds are issued by the State Bank of India, SBI. India रो केउ भी citizen or any organization can purchase the electoral bonds. या भी सारे बाकी सब details में काले ही discuss करे साचे, तो आपण काले रो video रे electoral bonds regarding most important details you will be able to find out. Question number 4 was Ukraine रो capital कोठी? Answer is Kyiv. Question number 6 is कोरोना वायरस रो जो एतिकी वेरिएंट आसुची डेल्टा वेरिएंट एबे नुआ गोटे एक्सी वेरिएंट आसीची. हाँ तो नेमिंग कन्वेंशन किए करंती कोरोना वायरस रो? देयर इज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जाको पैंगो नेटवर्क. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन थिला रिसेंटली अपन सुनथिबे कि यूक्रेन रो कैपिटल कीव पाखरे बुका और बुचा इन दिस एरिया मोर देन 300 पीपल हैव बीन मर्सीलेसली मसैकर्ड एंड ये कोनसी मिलिटरी या सोल्जर्स नथिले, नॉर्मल सिविलियंस थिले जे कि डे टू डे एक्टिविटी पई शॉपिंग मॉल आ ए सब पई बाहर को जाइतिले. सैटेलाइट सर्वे रू एंड प्रेस रिपोर्ट रू जाना पड़ची कि तांको मर्सीलेसली सेठी मारी दिया जाय छै. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू नो कि रशिया को यूनाइटेड नेशंस ह्यूमन राइट्स काउंसिल रू आज बर्खास्त कर दिया जाय छै, रिमूव करा जाय छै. सो in 1941 ए जगह रही 1.2 मिलियन ज्यूस को भी मार दिया जाता. दिस वॉज रिलेटेड टू ऑपरेशन बारबोसा. माय क्वेश्चन वॉज 1941 रे ऑपरेशन बारबोसा केउ दिटा कंट्री भितरे हेतिला. नाउ सी जर्मनी रे हिटलर कर रूल चलिथिला ड्यूरिंग द वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 एंड हिटलर बिलीव्ड इन अ कंसेप्ट जाको कोंती लेबेन्सरॉम रो कंसेप्ट वॉज कॉइन्ड बाय रैटजेल. यार माने होचे जदि निजर कंट्री रो जो रॉ मटेरियल अच्छी रिसोर्सेज अच्छी डिप्लीट हो जाउची तो से माने केउ जगह रे जाई कि ना रहिबे. सो हिटलर यूज्ड टू मेक अ बफर स्टेट एनी नियर बाय स्टेट व्हिच कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर रिहैबिलिटेटिंग और सेटलिंग ऑफ द पीपल फ्रॉम जर्मनी. एंड या पई से माने भाबिले कि रशिया इज अ फिट टारगेट. सो जर्मनी ट्राइड टू इन्वेड रशिया. हाउएवर रशिया डिफीटेड जर्मनी हियर with the help of the Red Army and ये सब जो जिनसा होता 1941 रे होता या को ऑपरेशन बारबोसा कहते. यूक्रेन रे ए जगह ही ए मसाकर होता. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन थिला फ्रेंड्स कि फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज केउ कमिशन रो रिकमेंडेशन आसी. The answer is Swaran Singh Committee. So these were all the answers of yesterday's quiz. जो मैंने को ठीक कर congratulations to all. आज रो quiz start करिया. First question हो जे, which article of the Constitution protects the accused from being compelled to give witness against himself? Next question हो जे, Russia रो currency कौन है? Next question is, Russia has been suspended from the United Nations Human Rights Council. In the year 2021, Russia was appointed or elected to be a member of this council. However, since Ukraine रे allegedly Russia रो जो human rights violation देखा जाए चे, Russia has been removed right now. So my question is, what is the tenure of the members in the United Nations Human Rights Council? केते tenure एबे रशिया रो थिला जो ताको रिमूव करा जाए चे. Please remember that Human Rights Council भितरे जो members थांदे, all these members are basically elected geographically. Geographically माने पूरा दुनिया भितरे जेते की कॉन्टिनेंट अछंती प्राय समस्त को एतरे रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द ह्यूमन राइट्स काउंसिल हैज 13 मेंबर्स फ्रॉम अफ्रीका, एशिया पैसिफिक रू भी 13 सीट्स एतिरे थाए, लैटिन अमेरिका रू 8, करीबियन रू 8, वेस्टर्न यूरोपियन स्टेट्स 7 सीट्स आर देयर, ईस्टर्न यूरोप रू 6 सीट्स थाए. एंड यार जो जनरल मीटिंग थाए जदि या भितरे ह्यूमन राइट्स वायलेशन को नहीं किना, इफ दे हैव टू स्टार्ट अ रेजोल्यूशन तो यहाँ पर 1/3 मेजोरिटी लगी था. If 1/3 majority is agreeing that there is a case of gross human right violation which needs urgent discussion, so they can sit separately and discuss for this. My next question is, who is the president currently of the Human Rights Council? So you have to tell me all these answers. Next question, can you tell me which country is the largest producer and exporter of palm oil? So recently जिनसोटा न्यूज़ रे अच्छे, some of the countries आमर जो एबे वॉर चली चे रशिया यूक्रेन भितरे, many countries have faced economic crisis. For example जदि हमें श्रीलंका रो ही केस देखिबा तो श्रीलंका रो केस काफी, it was closed economy, you can say. It was totally depending on the tourism. It did not it almost imported all the commodities that was required. तो निजर जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग अच्छे और निजर जो पार्टिसिपेशन अच्छे इन द ग्लोबल इकोनॉमिक मार्केट से एते नथिला. तो यार जो कल्मिनेशन अच्छे से हमको एबे देखिबा को मिलुची दैट सम ऑफ द कंट्रीज दे आर फेसिंग द इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस. फॉर एग्जांपल देखंतु इंडोनेशिया रे द ऑयल प्राइस पर लीटर एबे काफी अधिक बढ़ी जाय छै. So Indonesia, Malaysia, these all countries are facing the crisis regarding the oil. And apart from that, you see why this crisis was seen. So see, many reasons are there. First thing, ongoing war chale che, jo karan ru oil prices बढ़े che. Second thing is that ki biofuel. So by the biofuel mission, the countries they started diversifying this palm oil into the biofuel. तो ए कारण रो जेते की अवेलेबिलिटी थिला कंट्री रे palm oil रो से कमी जाय छै. Now that led to the rise in the prices and सेतरु कोन हबो hoarding, black marketing और सब problems will be there. So right now many countries are facing this crisis. Please remember India is the biggest importer of these oils. So India रे सबुठु अधिक palm oil import हेता है, फिर soybean oil and then the sunflower oil. So you have to tell me which country is the largest producer and exporter of palm oil. Next question, can you tell me who is the Prime Minister of Nepal? Easy question achi, try to answer. Then next question achi, friends, Bhutan shares the boundary with which all countries? The next question is, देखो HDFC बैंक and HDFC Limited ए दुटा रे मर्जर करा जाउची. So we know that the NBFCs are facing a lot of crisis and right now HDFC bank and NBFC these are getting merged. And this also leads to the fact कि if both of them are coming together तो इतरे management कौन रहेगा, what will be the scenario, losses mitigate है पारेबो कि है पारेबो नहीं. And does it also invite many other such institutions जो माने कि NBFC अचंती, are they going to merge with the banks? So that is what we have to see in the future. My question is, HDFC bank was set up in which year? Where is the headquarter of HDFC? Last question of the day, can you tell me Sri Lanka, which is right now facing the crisis and very desperately it needs the IMF assistance, एमती तो तंको जो assistance अच्छे इंडिया रू, चाइना रू, ये सब countries रू मिलू छे, but that cannot bail out Sri Lanka from the economic crisis it is right now in. For that they require IMF assistance. सो IMF असिस्टेंस एंड तार जो बेल आउट पैकेज अच्छी या विषय आम के डिस्कस करवा इन फुल लेंथ. कैन यू टेल मी व्हेन डिड श्रीलंका become independent? So these were the questions of today. Answer the questions in the comment section. Next video रे मैं यार आपन को solution देबी. If you like this session, share it with your friends. Make these videos reach to maximum people. Thank you so much. God bless you.